Shrimps, crackling.
Xin chào.
Okay, how much?
10,001. Hi, chili. Chili.
Chili, yes, little.
Yes.
Thousand one.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, so I don't know what the orange layer is. So the rice layers, bottom layer is rice. Like a chili sauce.
Mày ăn phải chụp đó. Ăn hôm nay chắc ăn thật rồi.
Crackling. The top layer is hot. You want to try?
Yep.
One more. It's interesting, isn't it?
Really fat.
Yeah, really set. So like the set rice. Yeah, it's good, isn't it? So it is banh beo.
Bánh bèo.
Banh beo.
Anh tập luôn bánh bèo. Anh tập luôn bánh bèo.
Yes, very good. Right, can we finish in it?
Of course. Chili kicks in.